on the sensor wiring for both the four-wheel drive shift assembly as well as the transfer case assembly, you're going to have, these are 5-volt sensors. Brown should be sensor power positive. Blue is going to be sensor power negative, and black is going to be your signal back to the computer. On the BearCat side, the harness side, you're going to have yellow, which is our 5-volt positive that lines up with the brown, and you're going to have blue that is the 5-volt negative that lines up also with the sensor blue. And then you will have a white wire that lines up with the black signal wire that goes back to the computer. So if you're not getting a green light at all, the first thing you would want to check is on the harness end, confirm that you have 5 volts on pins A and pin C. So A would be positive, C would be negative. If you don't have 5 volts at the end of the harness, then obviously we're not powering the sensor and we've got something else going on with wiring.